Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how to make a color pencil. It's very simple and easy to make. Before I start, I would like to say that English is not my native language, so if I make any mistake, I apologize for it. Well, first, as you can see, we have to create two div classes. One for the rectangle, that is going to be the body of the color pencil. One for one triangle, that it will be the base, and another triangle that will be the top and showing the color of the color pencil. To create a rectangle, it's very easy. We just need to add width and height. In this case, the width I used before is 60 pixels and the height was 300 pixels to make a long body. And let's use a background, maybe blue. And there we have our body of the color pencil. Now we will use the triangle. In this case I will copy it because I want to explain you how to make some things. We will first create a base. As you can see here, we have the triangle. If the triangle have a 0 width, a 0 height, but this is very key. The border left and the border right have this transparent color. This is very important to use. That is what it gives the shape of a triangle. If we take out this, we will see it's a black rectangle that would normally be, as you can see here. So the transparency is what gives us the visual idea that is a triangle shape, okay? So in this case, I use a border left of 30 pixels, a border right of 30 pixels, and a border bottom of 80 pixels to make a larger triangle. If I want a small triangle, I will just need to adjust the border bottom. And also, if I want a thin triangle, I just need to adapt the border left and the border right, as you see. But let's adjust this as it was before. Okay, now as you can see here, it has a relative position. Why? Because as this is going to be the base of the triangle, it has to be behind this triangle, so that is why it has a relative position. The second triangle, we have an absolute position, so it can be in the top of the last of this triangle. So now we will use the same, another triangle. I will copy this and paste it below. Well, this will be triangle 2, so I will add another one, and I will change first the color to have a better light to blue. Okay. Now, as you can see, it has position relative, so this is what I said before. We have to change absolute so it can be above of the base color, of the base triangle. It has the width 0 pixels, height 0 pixels, but as we need to be, as you see here, this is a small, so we have to correct the size of the border red and border right. In this case, I will use 15 pixels for the left and right side, and for the bottom I will use 40 pixels. As we can see here, nothing happened, and that is why, because it's not positioned the triangle. I will change the color so you can see that it's in the there it is. Here it is. So we have to position it right here. With position absolute, we don't use like margin top or margin bottom. We'll only use top, left, right, or bottom in this case. So we will use I used it before a 1 AM to go on top. No, it's too much. Maybe 0.5. Yeah, there is a line. And to align it, I will just use left. I think it was 1.5. Too much. Maybe a little bit less. 1.4. Yeah, there is perfect. I will change again the color. Oops, I forget this. Yes, and there we have it. It's simple to use. I hope this helps, and thank you for your feedback.